There's some whores in this house, for real. I said certified hands. Better ask the fans. Fat and scared.
Hey you guys, it's Lovely Soul here, and I am about to clean my mom's room, and by clean I mean deep clean, like deep clean, because my mom has this big room, y'all, and I'm sorry if the lighting changes because I'm not doing my regular setup. And if you guys didn't know, I am in Connecticut, so I'm about to show you guys what it's looking like right now because it's a mess. Okay, so look, this is a corner in my mom's room. Okay, my mom is a working woman. She works for a living. Like, that's just it. She don't even live. She just work. A bunch of stuff in her room and just in her house that just needs to be dealt with. So I'm gonna help her deal with it. This is the bed. It's a mess right now because Melania and I was sleeping in it. Her end table area. The room is a mess, period, because of course I'm here. But that's my suitcase, and then she has a bunch of stuff on her dresser. There's a bunch of stuff over here. I just did this. I started before I turned my camera on, and there's no lighting over here, so if I'm dark, I'm sorry. But yeah, this stuff came out of her closet. That's a bunch of junk. If you can't see it, I'm sorry, but that's a bunch of junk on the floor that came out of her closet. This is one of her closets. Right here, I just put her shoe rack in here because her shoe rack was over there. So I put it in her closet because I'm sure she ain't know how to do that. There's a ton of drawer space. She has a giant closet downstairs for like blankets and towels. I don't know why she has blankets up here. She has them up here in this area. Her armoire has a bunch too, and I'm out of breath, y'all. I told you I'm fat, but she has a bunch of blankets in here that she doesn't need in there, and I'm just about to, you know, clean it all up. And yeah, y'all can watch me do that. I honestly don't know how I'm about to do this because if I tell y'all, this is a lot of work, okay? Look at my doggy. Say hello. Say hello, Pinky. Say hi. Come on. Come here. Yeah. Say hi to the people. Come on. Her name is Pinky. This is my doggy, and I love her. It's my mom. Like I said, she works all the time, so she doesn't even stay here. She doesn't even stay here. I'm just like, how you got a house, but you don't even stay here? Like, what? I'll show y'all the other closet because I forgot to do that. How am I going to get over this stuff? It's a war zone. Ah! Okay. Made it. Okay. There's a bunch of stuff right here, so I can't even open the closet all the way. And it's dark. So just know when I say it's a mess, it's a mess. Okay? All right. So y'all can see me do what I got to do when I got to do it. Okay?
tea, bitch, we all sip. Your husband, bitch, he dipped that house. You did not flip. YouTube need to get hit one sneeze. Yo, shirt.